Parrots in the Cornfield. A family of parrots lived in a nest in a cornfield. Each day, as the mother parrot went in search for food, she told the little parrots to stay inside the nest and beware of the farmer. One day, the little parrots heard the farmer telling her son, "The corn is ready to be cut. We must call our neighbors to help us to reap this field." The little parrots got scared. When their mother returned, she got to know about everything. The mother parrot smiled and said, "Don't be afraid." The next evening, when the mother parrot came home, the little parrot said, "Mother, the farmer came again. He said that he would reap this field tomorrow." Hearing this, she said, "My dear children, now we must leave this field tomorrow before the farmer arrives. When a man says he will do his job himself, he will surely do it." Moral: never rush to take decisions.